Cool, look at this in here. No line though. You don't see this, like these lines, you know? That queue goes out to here, too.
We're gonna eat food at noon. It's gonna take at least 20 minutes. By the time you get food.
What y'all think you're gonna see today?
Tiger. Snake.
Want to see monkeys going? Pancakes too. And what animals y'all think you're gonna see?
Monkey.
Spanish birds. Sometimes it's any other animals? What's everyone's favorite ride here at Cedar Point?
Millennium Force.
Millennium Force, that's my personal favorite too. You know, Millennium used to be the tallest and fastest here at Cedar Point. Ever since Top Dog came around, he's the yellow little blue.
Do we remember our number?
I think so, 9, yeah.
Alright. Come on. I said quick. Alright. Well, my name is Rosebud Waterfountain, named after my daddy's cat he had before the accident. Welcome to Snake River Expedition! Alright! Cut it! Alright, now listen up, people. I know y'all thought today was going to be a peaceful cruise down the river looking at all the animals and such, but that's not how it's going to be. See, I work for Trapper Dan. He runs this entire operation. But lately, we've been running into some trouble. See, there's an island over there, and there's outlaws on that island, and them no-good skunks keep stealing from Trapper Dan. But all that's gonna end today, thanks to y'all. Now, I gotta hand you off to my friend, because if we keep giving and gabbing out here, y'all are not gonna make it out alive. If the outlaws don't catch you, the snakes definitely will. We don't call it Snake River for nothing, alright? Pardon me, everybody ain't got time for a password.
Well, if you ain't got time for no password, I reckon I ain't got time.
Alright.
For you.
Oh, slithery like snake skin. Come on. Everybody, quick.
Yours is so neat. Be sure to fill in, spread out so everyone can get in here.
Cool.
Alright. We got a good bunch of expeditioneers. Alright. Okay.
Good?
I reckon.
Right.
Okay.
See you later.
See ya. Alright. Well, howdy everybody. My name's Lenny, but you can just call me Lenny. I know today's adventure is going to be a little different than what y'all expected. I got to warn you, there might be snakes, there might be outlaws, and if you're real unlucky, there might be this really big snake called the basilisk, the king of the serpents. I think I heard it's about bigger than me, so if that's the case, don't go near it, okay? But despite all that, we got to get these goods down the river from Trapper Dan, and here's how we're going to do it, okay? We're right here, and we got to get the goods all the way down the river to Jones Landing right there, on the outskirts of Seville, okay? Now that y'all know the plan, let's do what we're dealing with. That is burlap sacks, but inside it is the gold that y'all will be carrying. And I need 2 of y'all to help hold on to this as we go down the river, okay? Okay, you and who are you with?
Oh, right here.
All right, then come on up. Okay.
Hold the goal.
You 2, stand right here, hold on. You're going out first, so.
Oh, okay.
All right. So you 2 are going to be going out first, and the rest of y'all are going to be human shields. Yeah, like that, right? Okay.
Can our party come with us too, right here?
Absolutely, so go ahead and bring them on. All right, so I'm gonna hand you off to the deckhand, all right? And they're gonna help y'all do whatever. Remember, everybody, good luck. And like Trevor Dan says, pass the gold real good.
Okay.
Come on, everybody.
I'll be there, folks. You just follow me, I'll take y'all to the school.
Good luck, everyone.
Some people here do. The basilisk, king of all serpents. What?
I've seen it.
It's just a myth, Captain.
No, I've seen the basilisk.
Well, anywho, much of the area beyond this riverbank has been explored. Folks, this is actually a bag of dynamite. Captain, why do they keep saying this is a gold bag?
Must be colorblind.
Maybe. I'll just put this in the TNT box. Now, you are holding the real gold. What's your name, ma'am? Danette. I love that. Well, Danette, all we need you to do is just hold on to that until we get to Jones Landing. And we just need you to look very innocent and discreet, just in case any outlaws try to take the gold. You think you can do that?
I can do that.
All right, I have faith in you. My job's in your hands now. All right, now, folks, since this is a expedition, I'm going to show you some of the wildlife here. Oh, I guess we'll start right over here. That over there is actually Dempsey's factory, and if you saw that cougar over there, that's just a testament to his favorite hobby, which is taxidermy. Funny story about that cougar. He was eating dynamite, and that's how the cougar died. But I don't know what's worse, actually, chewing it or lighting it up. I don't know, Captain. We'll never know. Let's see, what other wildlife we're going to see here, folks? Well, I know that tree, everyone. That tree over there to your right is a weeping willow tree. That's also my nickname whenever I go to a saloon bar. Yep. So, folks, okay, now we're going to see some real wildlife. Right over there is my house, and if you look over, that's actually my pet teddy bear. His name's Teddy. I named him when I was 6 years old. Hey, Teddy, you trying to catch some fish? Well, I showed you how to use a fishing hook. Oh, all right, well, if you catch it, I'll grill it for you. Oh, folks, that raccoon doing my laundry, his name is Bandit. But he's also colorblind, and he has a hard time separating my clothes, and well, it's hard to get good help nowadays, folks. It is what we can do. Well, folks, we wanted to surprise you with a live band, but I guess the animals got to them first. Oh, well, maybe next time, Captain. Folks, if you look over to your left, you're gonna see Forbidden Frontier. Now, folks, all of it like to come down and settle down either as a Whoppy or a Cayuga, and they like to find some buckaroos and hidden other treasures. If you look to your right, you're gonna see a mama bear and her cubs just hanging around. Get it? Hanging, because on a swing? Yeah. Well, Captain, I thought that worked in my mind. Let's see.
Swing band.
That's a good one, Captain. I'll use that.
Look what's there.
Flapjack? Flapjack, is that you? Folks, that's my buddy, Flapjack McGee. He is known here for making his famous flapjacks on Snake River. Hey, Flapjack, maybe
There's some beavers.
Expedition, I'll come over and have some of your famous flapjacks. Extra butter, extra syrup, you know just how I like it. Folks, Flapjack and his family, they're like the glue here on Snake River. They like to help out in this community, and, well, they just like to be busy as beavers. Yeah, you know, because they're beavers. I know, gets me every time, folks. Oh,
there's more.
Charlie, you might want to use that lock for that dam over there. I think it's from the leak. Yeah, you're doing a great job, buddy. You're doing a great job. What else are we going to see here? Folks, now you're in for a special treat. Right over there is the Crystal Rock Bottle Company. They are known especially for their moonshine, but unfortunately we can't taste any.
It's pretty cool. You can stay here and kind of watch this film.
Howdy there, folks. I think they were also here for the moonshine, but joke's on them. They're not going to taste any either. What? Bandit? Bandit, is that you? My laundry better be done when I get home, otherwise I'm docking your pay. Are those snakes? Guys, why not hear that snake for a wolf call? Alright, next time, folks, next time. Alright, everyone, this is serious now. We are approaching Seville. Seville is a lawless land full of some rough types. We don't normally show this on our tours, but because we're doing some smuggling for Trapper Dan, we don't got a choice but to come here. But listen, all we're gonna do is just dock the boat, give the gold, and we're gonna sail away like there's no mañana. Oh, I think that's my friend over there. So let's give her that snake or wolf call and see if she responds. Woo! Gotcha. Okay, Captain, let's just dock the boat real quick. Oh, you still got the gold, right? Howdy there, partner. How you doing today? I'm doing great. You see this crew I got over here? Say, have you seen anything suspicious lately here on Seville?
No, I ain't seen nothing suspicious, but those spiders are disrespectful.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that part. But wait, seriously? Like no snakes, no outlaws or anything here?
No, I haven't seen anything yet. How's your fish journey down riverbank?
So far so good. I was hoping we were going to taste some of that moonshine, but the raccoons over there took it already, so. Alright, well friend, we just want to drop over the gold and just sail away. So I got to ask you a quick question. How has the river been today?
Why, this river's been slithering like a snake's skin.
That's the password. Alright, my friend here's the whole
Hold it right there. You, fire sleeve. Beat it! Howdy there, folks. This here's a hold up, so hands where I can see them. Come on, don't be shy. Thank you.
Excuse me, outlaw, sir, ma'am. My friends right here said that you can't come into this boat because you don't know the password. But that's what they said.
You are absolutely right. Y'all have a great day. Except, you know, I think this river's more slithering like snakeskin, don't you?
Oh, the password!
Trapper Dan ain't as smart as he thinks he is, and neither are any of you.
Nice.
Let's get down to business, folks. I know someone on this boat is holding on to Trapper Dan's gold, and I'm pretty sure I know exactly who. That one's suspicious at all there. Hand it over. What if we don't? Hey, I'm not very nice, all right? You're not in a position to negotiate.
She's kind of right. She's kind of right. We don't have much to negotiate with.
That's Ed Fox's coffee horn. That means they onto you, so you best watch your back.
Oh, well, don't go trying to be a hero now. I ain't working alone. So y'all best watch your back.
We mean you're not working alone.
Yeah, boys!
Oh no, civilians, everyone get down, they're shooting, get down, get down, get down, get down! Oh my goodness, why did I take this summer job? Everyone stay down, stay down, stay down! Wait, I needed the money, that's why I took this job. Are they still shooting? They're still shooting, everyone stay down, stay down, stay down! Alright, I think we're clear. Alright, if you're still alive, let me hear that snake or wolf call. Alright, I think 80% of y'all still here, so that's good. That's a good number.
We can work with that, yeah.
Yeah. The tartar sauce, Captain, we lost the gold. Well, thank you for trying to be brave over there. I just had a cower over there in the back. Wait, I have an idea, folks. Who here knows how to swim? I can't put you in that river, actually. If you go in there, you're definitely gonna get snake bites and maybe a side of tetanus. I don't know what's in that river. Oh, but that flag over there means the cavalry is heading over to Seville. So, Captain, I think it's best for us to go to Trapper Dan's secret mine.
Well, it's not a secret if you're going to tell everyone about it.
Okay, fine. I guess we're going to go to Trapper Dan's not-so-secret mine now and relay that message to him.
Fine.
Folks, this situation is getting dicey. But luckily, our friend over here gave us that bag of dynamite. I knew it was going to come in handy. Now, let's see here. Right? Wait a sec. Captain, are you seeing what I'm seeing?
I'm seeing your bag.
It's gold, Captain. We have the gold, folks. We have the gold. Folks, I really need this job, so if anyone asks, we swap the bags on purpose. Let me hear that snake or wolf call. Y'all catch my drift. Thank you. Oh, shh. Everyone over here, get down, get down. All right, those are Trapper Dan's wolves. They don't know y'all, so just stay calm. Otherwise, they might get onto this boat and eat y'all for lunch. Looks like that's gonna leave a mark, outlaw. Guess you got a present from Trapper Dan.
All right, you know good outlaw. Drop the bag.
Hey, she's got dynamite. Shoot the outhouse.
I warned you. And this one's for Trapper Dan.
on, get down. Hey, not you in there, partner. You gotta teach me that one of them days. Wow, folks, what a day. Luckily, we are almost to the dock, so we might catch a break after all. Alright, I guess this is the perfect time to tell y'all that y'all my lucky crew. And I just gotta say thank you so much for saving my behind back there. I didn't know the backs were gonna get swapped like that. So now as we head over to the dock. Oh my goodness! Oh, whoa! Is that the basilisk? Look at the size of that thing. Everyone get down for a sec. Get down, get down. Alright. It's not moving, but as long as it doesn't spray us with this poisonous venom, we should be alright. Oh, it's moving, folks. Oh, nice basilisk. Good basilisk. We mean no harm. Oh, it's gonna spray. Everyone get down, get down.
Oh!
Did anyone get sprayed? Yeah, I am so sorry. I think there's an antidote somewhere here on the dock, but I don't know where it is. They didn't teach that to me when I became a deckhand, so good luck finding it. Well, anyways, as we approach the dock, like I was about to say, please keep all your hands and feet inside the boat until we make a complete stop. And as you are exiting, please watch your step because the boat does get a little rocky. And as I said before, y'all saved my behind, but I guess we weren't the lucky crew, but who knows? Next time we have a leisurely trip, we might go on a better one. Yeah, we did get the gold, so I guess it is a win-win after all. We didn't deliver the gold, but we didn't lose the captain, so.
I told you the basilisk was real. You didn't believe me.
Right, Captain.
Alrighty, y'all. As we approach the dock, please remain seated and be prepared.
Did you like that, babe? We just got off a riverboat.
Yeah, I liked it.
Yeah, it was fun. A lot of people were saying it's a little corny and stuff like that. But you know what? That's what's fun. How many amusement parks besides like Disney and Universal that you get something like this? That's awesome.